Hi there. In this session, I would like to tell you about how to use Flex in Bootstrap. This is one kind of very most important topic here in this Bootstrap. I will tell you about this one. So here you can see I want to align these two objects in a single row with two columns because I need I need two paragraphs in a single row with two columns. How we can do that one with the help of Flex and Bootstrap? Let's have a look. So see, what I will do is, here I will take my root folder. Then you can see it seems to be like this. Now I couldn't assign any kind of file. I will take new file as Flex, Flex in Bootstrap, in bootstrap.html. So we need to assign some Bootstrap class components with the help of CDN link. So what I will do is get Bootstrap. This is our get Bootstrap. Now you can see there in this document, you can see there is a starter template is there. Just copy this one. Here you can see I will paste this one like this. So here I will remove this hello world because we need to put some custom content over here, so that I removed that one. Save this one. Let's have a look how it seems to be here in our browser. Open this one in live server. We can see this is the preview because we doesn't applied any kind of content over here. So in browser also we can't see any kind of design over there. So what I will do is I need one paragraph, so that I took paragraph like this. There in this paragraph I will assign some content like this. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So this is my regular content. I will use this content to execute some paragraphs. So here you can see this is first line. I will copy paste couple of times, so we can frame some paragraph. So this is first paragraph, as well as what I will do is I will copy this one and paste over here. See this one. So what happening is this is our paragraph. You can see. So for better purpose, better viewing purpose, what I will do is I will assign some CSS to these two paragraphs. So for that I will assign the class names and to this paragraph only. BG, I will go with info for first paragraph, and here you can see it seems to be like this. As well as what I will do is I will assign some class is equal to BG secondary, SECONDARY secondary. You can see I will go with this secondary. Right, fine. So we need to align these two items here in this bootstrap by using Flex. So here you can see what we need to do is, remember, whenever you want to assign single row two columns, we should use one tag, division tag. In between that tag only we have to put these paragraphs. So what I will do is I will take division. This is main tag for two paragraphs. So this is the parent to these two paragraphs. So here you can see this is the first paragraph and second paragraph, and this is two paragraphs. So what we need to do is there is a flex is there here in this class. I will share you this link also to you, so that you can access this source code. Here you can see there is some more properties also be there, in the sense inline flex is there, Excel flex is there, MD flex is there. Here you can find some SMLG like that kind of breakpoints. Even here also we can use that breakpoints. As well as here you can see there is some directions also be there. You can use those directions like flex row columns like that. So here I will show you that source code. From here you can see what we have to do is we have to use this course to align these things like this. So what we need to do is here you can see this is the parent and these are the divisions. Even this division doesn't have any flex related class attribute, but here in this parent I had one deflex. In the sense this is the class attribute needs to use to align those two paragraphs into a single row in with the two columns. So what I will do is I will align these things as class is equal to d flex, flex flex. Save this one. Now you can see these two paragraphs seems to be like this because this is a parent division, as well as these two paragraphs come under this parent only. Whatever class attribute we assign to deflex, then these two paragraphs align into like this. So you can assign any kind of class attribute to these two paragraphs here in this class attribute. So what I will do is, for getting some space of space to these two paragraphs, I will assign one division. I will assign class name is equal to container. So here you can see this is a container. I will put this deflex b2 paragraphs in between this container only. Copy and paste. Here you can see it seems to be like this. Now we can see it seems to be like this. Even we can assign some padding, we can assign some margins to assign some better functionality to this deflex class attribute. But this is the source code needs to use this kind of structure here in this HTML, as well as this kind of class attribute we have to assign to this parent division. This is the process to apply flex here in this Bootstrap.